So in this video, we're gonna check another node inside the flows. Okay, last time we did this one, and in this video we're gonna check how to do a Google Sheets node. So what this node do, it will actually take some data and save it inside your Google spreadsheet file. That's what it will do. So first, let's get back. We have a first step here in connections. Here in Google Sheets, see here, status not connected. So I need to connect the chatbot with my Google Sheet account. Okay, I already connected before, but you will, in your case, you will see like an auth screen, and you have to click continue a few times. Then you will see this buttons here, Google Sheet page. It will redirect me to my Google Sheets, and I will create a new file for the test. Let's call it, for example, test Google Sheets. Okay, so this is the name. Let's create another worksheet here. We have sheet 1, sheet 2. And what I need to do now is to copy this link here of this file and paste it here. And here I can name the file inside the chatbot anything. Let me give it the same name. Okay, and here it was added. Here it's the same file. So this one is the link for the file. Now let's get back to flows and create a new flow. I call it Google Sheets and add Google Sheet nodes. Here we have the file that we just added, and here we have the worksheets. If I, for example, add the third one, I can rename it like test instead of sheet 3. Get back here and refresh, then I will find it here, test, and here are the columns that will populate inside the sheet. So first column, let's, for example, as a test, call it, select the variable first name. The first name will be added here. Then here we have last name, email, and so on. We want to collect the user personal details, so that's what we're gonna do and save. So if you want to know where those are coming from, here in the tab variables, we have some default variables. See here, we cannot edit or delete them. And every contact, when it is created, it will have those variables. First name, last name, email, phone, note, gender, language. Here, yeah, they appear here. The other variables will be shown here, but we'll talk about them in another video. Here we have first name, last name, email, phone, language, etc. So every contact will have the same variables. And here in flow, this one will, for the current contact, the one that is currently talking to the chatbot, what the AI will do, it will ask it for those informations and then add them to the Google Sheet. So we need a trigger, because the AI need to understand when it will start asking the user for those informations. Okay, let's call it Google Sheets. And here, when we need a trigger or a keyword to do this. So let's say whenever the user wants to do a search in our products, ask him first, okay, him or her, about his personal details. Here, say name, email, and phone. So like this, the artificial intelligence will understand that whenever the user asks for a search in our products, first it will collect its personal data. And this here we need to add those data. Here we need to select the first name. For this field is not important, but this one is the most important one. Here we need to explain what is this exactly. So here we say user first name. Okay, here let me call it LN last name. So those are the most important one. This one where the variable will be saved, and this one is the explanation for the AI to understand what to ask exactly. Here let's say last name. Okay, EM, then email, user we can say this will be the user email. And the last one, let's call it PH for phone number. We say phone number of the user. Number of the user. Okay, so I think it's clear now. Here, when the user wants to do a search for products, let's collect his personal data first. And it will ask about those things. And to save them inside Google Sheet, we need to execute this flow. Google Sheets. So those data will go here, and using this node, they will be saved here. Okay, what I need to do now is to activate this trigger. Google Sheets, okay. Google Sheets, and save. And in the chatbot, I want to search in your product. Great. I can help with that. Could you please provide me with your first name, last name, email, address, and phone number? So we don't need to make it like in a form of like an input. We can talk normally like you're talking to any person. My name, like for example, my name is John Smith, or you can say, for example, oh yeah, okay, my John Smith is my name, or you can just put like this, John Smith. And the AI will understand that this is his name. This one is the first name, last name. So it didn't need to be in a specific format. John Smith. Could you please provide me with your email address and phone number? Okay, my email address, john@gmail.com, and let's put phone numbers. And because it's an artificial intelligence, it will understand that this is the email, this is the phone number. And let's see. First, to know that this one was triggered, let's add a text here and say thank you. Your search is completed. Okay, this tutorial is not related to the actual search itself, but to this node, saving data inside Google Sheet. So we're not gonna do a search for now. Let's pretend it did already happen. I think maybe I will explain it later in another video using this node, which is called API request. This one that you can use to search inside your website database for products. But for now, let's just because this is just a test. We say thank you, search is completed. And there's also one more thing. You can say, for example, my name is John. I can make the AI say thank you, John. How that's done. Here you see this icon. I click on it and I find all the variables, and I click this one. Sorry, my cursor was on the wrong place. I need to put the cursor here, then click on this icon. Here we have all the what's called the variables. Here I can search like first, which show me only this one, first name. I think I need to pass it here. It looks exactly like this. This is the variable. So whenever this variable, it will be also shown here in this text. Let's save. Okay, and the chatbot. Say this is my email and phone number. And yeah, thank you, John. See, the same thing. Thank you and the first name. This means that the first name, this variable will have this value, which is John, and also it will be saved here inside the Google Sheet. So it worked perfectly. Your search is completed. I can say, for example, sorry, my correct phone number is 112223344. Let's say if this one will also trigger again the same flow, and the only difference is that it will replace this number, this old one, with this new one. Let's see. Okay. Thank you, John. Your search is completed. Here we have another row, but with the correct phone number. Yeah, so that's it. This is Google Sheets. This is how we can collect some data from the here. See, data collected. Collect some data from the user and save it inside Google Sheet. I think it's very simple. First, we specify the trigger that will make the AI ask for those data from the user, then the flow. And here we have flow called Google Sheet, which have which have this node called Google Sheet. Here we specify the file, then the worksheet, which is this one, not this one. This one is empty. And the what are the values that will be put inside the Google Sheet column. And there's also one more thing. If you go back here to the contact, see here, John Smith. It did have the values that we specify. Let's see here. Also, my name is Alex. Okay. And here, if we do refresh, let's see if it's working. Okay, it's not working because here we didn't execute that trigger. Okay, so what we need to do? Let's say, for example, sorry, my actual name. In this way, the AI will understand that we still want to do this search in product, but my actual name is. So just change the name. My actual name is Alex, not. Can I do a search again? First name, last name. Okay, I need to put it again. Alex Smith. Okay, could you provide me? Okay, until now we have John Smith. And okay, thank you, Alex. Here, thank you, John. And here, if I refresh, see here, it's John. Yeah, it's Alex now. And also we have it here, of course, in Google Sheets. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more videos about this chatbot and how you can develop your own chatbot using this platform. Thank you so much.